Ready, set, woo! These are piled toys. It's a PJ mask, Lightning McQueen, monster truck. Uh-oh, this is Buzz. Hi guys, so today we're going to open this box. It's an old toys that are being piled up. Yes, we're going to open toys right now and we want to see what's inside this box. Are you excited? Ready, set, whoa! Oh my gosh, these are old toys. And we just want to see what we got here for the longest time. These are piled toys in just box. And then we want to see what we got from the very long time. Are you ready? Okay, so first, let's move on with this plastic. Oh, these are the magnet toys that can build. There you go. I'm gonna play with this also. Next, what you got there? Oh, this is a truck from Toys R Us. What you got here? It's a PJ mask car. This is awesome. You got a motorcycle too. Let me see the motorcycle. Nice. Are you gonna count? Ready, set, go! Woohoo! And who is this? Your favorite?
Cool!
Lightning McQueen! This is Lightning McQueen. And it turns to be a robot. That's right, that's your school bus. This is a bumblebee kind of race car. What else you got there? Monster truck! Nice monster truck. You got a ball too. That's a ball. Yes, that's a ball. What else? Oh, this is very old one too. That's where you're gonna put it. Uh-oh, it fell. I see a puppy beside you, Rob. Can I see that puppy here? There's a puppy. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You've been playing for this and you're putting food inside the mouth. Another dog here. That's so cute. Can you show me the dog? Show me the dog. Yes, that's a dog. And look what we got here, Robbie. What's this? It's tangled. Helicopter! You got it right, Rob. Wanna wear it? Come on, let's wear it. Try. Uh-oh. You put it inside Mac. That's a Mac. Yeah. It's a gold one. A race car that is color green. And this is Wolverine, yeah. This is Buzz. The light here, yeah. Okay, that's correct. The magnets here. Yeah, these are the magnets. That if they fall, they will be at the magnets. Colorful magnets. Rectangle. Can I see? Oh, that's correct. How about this one? What shape is this? It's tight. Ready, set, go. Okay, your turn. Your turn. Would you like the airplane to join you? We will just run like this on the rail track.
Fly.
You want them to fly? Okay, fly. Here? Cannot fit. He's too big for the trails. Oh, let's see. Alright, say bye-bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you again next time. Cheese.